Okay, here's a good question. Yeah, a cylinder has a movable piston, so the volume can change. And it has 2 grams of helium room temperature. More helium is added, and the volume changed from 2 to 2.7 liters. So let's write all that stuff in. So the temperature is held constant. It doesn't say anything about pressure. And so I would probably say that the pressure was held constant too. Okay, so I have initial volume is 2 liters, and the final volume is 2.7 liters. And then it starts with 2 grams. I want to put that in moles, but I have to convert that first. Let's do that. So moles is equal to mass over molar mass. The mass is 2.00 grams. The molar mass of helium is 4 grams per mole. Grams cancel. So you divide that and you get 0.5 moles. And that's how many moles I start with. And they're asking well, they say what's the new mass? Well, I have to find moles first, then I can figure out mass. So the formula, volume in moles, is going to be this one. So V1 over N1, because V2 over M2. I'm looking for M2. So M2 will be equal to N1V2 divided by V1. N1 is 0.50 moles times volume 2 is 2.7 liters divided by volume 1, which is 2.00 liters. Let's do that on the calculator, just a sec. Okay, that comes out to 0.675 moles. Okay, but the question is asking for what the mass is. And so to figure out the mass, I have this formula, moles equals mass over molar mass. I'm solving for mass, so mass is equal to moles times molar mass. Moles 0.675 moles, and I have to times that by the molar mass of helium, which is 4. Okay, and so 4 grams per mole. Calculator. Okay, so it comes out to 2.70 grams. For molar mass of helium, I should have written 4.00. So I think there's 3 sig figs in that question. Okay, hopefully that helps you.